Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition. This striking A3 is finished in Python yellow. This A3 comes fitted with the 1.5 litre TFSI petrol engine and Tronic automatic gearbox, allowing you to push 150 PS. This A3 is also ULEZ compliant, allowing you to travel anywhere you wish without risk of fees or fines to pay. To the front of the vehicle you'll find a set of LED headlights designed to perfectly illuminate the road, no matter the driving conditions. This A3 sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels in a black and gloss-toned finish. These beautifully contrast against the yellow paintwork of the vehicle. The rear windows on this A3 are fitted with privacy glass that not only enhances your privacy within the vehicle but also adds to the sleek, modern exterior finishes. The rear of this vehicle is fitted with rear parking sensors, allowing you to easily park and manoeuvre your vehicle, no matter how tight the space. Opening up the tailgate, as you can see, there's plenty of storage space for anything you may wish to take upon your travels, despite the smaller size of the vehicle. Moving into the rear of this A3, we have 3 rear seats with a folding down armrest designed to enhance the comfort of rear passengers. The outer of these seats can fit with ISOFIX for children's car seats. There are also vents and charging points in the back. The front seats are manually adjustable and come with 4-way lumbar support designed for perfect comfort no matter the journey. This vehicle also comes with a wireless charger designed to keep you charged and connected whilst on the move. This vehicle comes with 2-zone climate control which can be easily adjusted in the front via the buttons. The front seats are also heated, perfect for keeping you warm on chilly mornings. The dash is equipped with an MMI touchscreen which allows you to control the DAB radio system, mobile phone connectivity which includes use of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as a navigation system. As you can see, the screen is incredibly easy to use, and once reverse is selected, the front and rear parking sensors will appear upon the screen, allowing you to easily park and manoeuvre your vehicle no matter how tight the space. This vehicle also comes with Park Assist, allowing you to park and unpark your car at just the touch of a button. In front of the driver is the flat bottom multifunction steering wheel which allows you to control the music, cruise control and your Audi virtual cockpit. Here you'll see information about your car, your phone connectivity and your navigation system, allowing you to easily use your sat-nav function whilst on the move. That concludes our 360 walk around this Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.